Can you really open a US company if you don't actually live in the United States? The short answer is yes. Many non US residents successfully register US LLCs every year, but the process can feel confusing if you don't understand the steps clearly. In this video, you will learn how non US residents can legally register a US LLC step by step, what to select during the application, and how to avoid common mistakes that cause delays or extra costs. This tutorial is based on commonly used LLC registration processes for international founders. First of all, get started with your official formation link from the video description or from our website. Copy that URL and visit there. After that, you'll get a page like it. In this page, you should put your company name here. Then select your business state here. Here, I am showing Wyoming as an example. So if you choose a different state, then replace Wyoming with your selected state name. After that, select the type of your business, such as LLC or corporation or nonprofit here. And select no if you don't want to get the lawsuits to your attorney. After that, write your business purpose within 500 characters in this box. At the physical address field, you should select our registered agent address as you are a non-US resident. After that, select the management type option. Member managed means the company is managed by its owners, while manager managed means it runs by appointed managers. Then fill the member field. It seems the company owner's name. You can put your first name in the field of first name, and you can put your last name in the last name field. Then click to Continue button. Now, if you want a business phone number, then add phone service from the Build Your Business Identity services here. Then click to Continue button. At the Contact Info page, you should fill the form with your own details, such as your name, own country phone number, and own country address that is listed on your government-issued ID card. Now put your email and create a password. Keep in mind these login details will be needed to log into your registered agent's dashboard, so you have to remember them. Then click to Continue button. At last, put your payment details here. And click to submit. After the payment, you will redirect to your own dashboard. Then add tax ID with your order. Tax ID means Employer Identification Number, EIN. And now finally, submit your application. Your LLC will be formed within a couple of days and EIN will be assigned from the IRS. And you will get all of your company documents in your own dashboard. You now understand the step-by-step process to register a US LLC as a non-US resident. The full written guide with screenshots is linked in the description below, so make sure to review it before you start. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your business journey.